Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and this is my Stitch-Maynia update and review. For those of you that don't know, I did my first Stitch-Maynia this year. I did it a little different. I did it from May 1st through May 15th. I wanted to see if I liked doing it before I committed myself to like all month or until the 19th like a lot of people were doing. I just wanted to get my feet wet. So how I did this was I decided to take my three bigger projects and I worked on each one of those for 5 days. My regular rotation is 2 days. I work on them each 2 days, and throughout the week. So I wanted to give 5 days to each one to make some progress. And I did. And I feel like I did really make good progress on each piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you each piece again. And then kind of give you my thoughts on possible future Stitch-Maynias. So the first one that I worked on, and you're going to see a difference in, I'm going to show you Halloween tricks. Now when you last seen this on my last update, after the 5 days, I still had a chunk of fence. Well, I have since worked on this, and I will explain why I worked on it after Raven Queen. So, this is where I'm at, hold on Halloween tricks. I did have this section was still out of it. This is complete now. Now I will be coming down and working on the boy. So, here is where it's at. As you can see, the fence is now finished. And I'm coming down and working on the boy. Okay, why I am working on this is because I am entering GingerGerald's, let me see if I can get this right, large project finish competition, something like that. I think I say it different every time. But anyway, he's having a competition, and this is what I'm entering. So I am going monogamous on this. He gave a deadline of June 30th. So I am going to work every day on this project. My usual 2 to 3 hours is all I usually get every day, and I'm going to see if I will get this done before June 30th. So any updates and all of that I'll be doing on FlossTube will probably be just showing this. But that is where I'm at with this one. Love working on it. It seems to be working up really, really quick. The second one that I worked on, which would have been the 6th through the 10th, would be Beulah Afternoon Nap. And what I did on this was I concentrated on this corner. So I got the flower pot finished, and I barely got started on the little flowers on this. Now, I said I had large pieces. Well, this isn't large. It's 5 by 7, but it's full coverage, 5 by 7. So I consider that to be a large piece because it's all filled in. So this is where I'm at on that. So I finished the flower pot and started on the yellow flowers and some of the little orange flowers. So that is what I completed from the 6th through the 10th. And then here it is again. So that was that one. And then the last one would be the Mirabilia Raven Queen, which would have been from the 11th through the 15th. And I made good progress on her as well. Let's see, I'm trying to get it so this light won't shine through. Okay. So I got her gloves pretty much done. Not all the way done. I got the skin on her arms done. I got part of the dress done where it connects down with the other part of the dress that I had finished. And then I did the glove on the other side and the skin. So that's what I completed in those 5 days. And this one's worked on 16 count pewter Ada. The Afternoon Nap is worked on 18 count white Ada. And Halloween Tricks is worked on 14 count cream Ada. So my thoughts on Stitch-Maynia. I love it. My first time doing this. I don't know why I haven't done it before, as a lot of us say, but I love it. And I am planning very seriously to do it next year. I've still got a year away, so I don't know how I will do it, or if I'll do it the same way that I have done this time, or what, but I will definitely be participating in Stitch-Maynia because it is so much fun. I can see progress, and it keeps the motivation up to work on them. So anyway, yeah, that is it. I will be participating. I enjoyed it this year. And like I said, while I was working on the Halloween Tricks, GingerGerald made his announcement that he was going to have a deadline of June 30th. So when I heard that, I thought, well, I'm just going to put all other projects aside after I finish my part of Stitch-Maynia, and I'm going to just work on this one every day. Like I said, I get between 2 and 3 hours a day because I have a lot of stuff going on around here. But, so I'm hoping that I can complete this by June 30th. So keep your fingers crossed. Send positive vibes my way so I will stay motivated, and I will be able to get this one finished. If not, it would be well worth it because it's motivation and it's keeping me stitching it. So anything for a finish. And there we go. Okay, thank you guys all so much for coming back and watching my videos. I do appreciate all of you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. That's why I make my videos. I enjoy making them, but I'm also making them, for you guys to help motivate you, inspire you, and to show what I have been working on. So anyway, everybody, take care, and I will see you on the next video.